Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best personal smoothie blender you can get your hands on today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Koyos Personal Smoothie Blender. Let's get started.
Product feature.
A robust 900-watt all-copper turbo motor spins at 23,000 RPM, creating a whirlwind of nutrition to crush through ice and frozen ingredients effortlessly for your healthy morning routine. Smart Pulse technology gives you total control over texture. With a simple press of a button, you can create the perfect consistency for everything from protein shakes to homemade dressings. The upgraded 6-leaf blade is crafted from premium 304 stainless steel. It's detachable for easy cleaning and specifically designed to unlock nutrients while ensuring years of durable, reliable use. You get 2 generous 22-ounce BPA-free cups with matching to-go lids and portable hooks. Blend directly in the cup and head out the door to the office or gym without dirtying any extra dishes. This blender only operates when the cup is securely locked in place, preventing accidents. Plus, 4 non-slip silicone pads keep it perfectly stable on your counter while you blend with confidence. An intelligent cooling fan on the base dissipates heat efficiently, ensuring the motor maintains optimal performance even when you are blending tough ingredients for extended periods of time. Your purchase is backed by a 90-day return policy, a 24-month replacement warranty, and lifetime technical support, giving you total peace of mind and showing the brand truly cares about your experience. Pros: the sheer power of the 900-watt motor is a total game-changer, making short work of frozen fruit and ice that often stall other machines. We love that it comes with 2 travel cups, making it so easy for couples or busy parents to stay healthy together. The lifetime support and generous warranty really show that Koyos cares about your long-term happiness and wellness success. Cons: to get that perfectly silky texture, you do need to ensure you add at least half a cup of liquid, which might be a slight adjustment if you prefer ultra-thick smoothie bowls. Also, because it uses pulse operation, you'll need to stay by the blender for a few moments to guide the process to perfection. Final thoughts: the Koyos Personal Smoothie Blender feels like a true partner in your wellness journey. It removes the stress from busy mornings, making it effortless to nourish your body with something fresh and delicious before you head out the door. It's a reliable, safe, and powerful choice for anyone looking to simplify their healthy lifestyle while feeling supported every single step of the way. Start your journey toward a healthier, happier you right now. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video to help us keep bringing you the best tips. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.